text effect in Canva. So for that, you can go to your web browser and type in canva.com, and now what you have to do is go to elements and type in letter frames. Okay, so here it is, and when you scroll down, you will see like these kind of letter effects, and you can choose your letters to frame your words. Okay, now here I have my letters, and now what you have to do is align them. So I finished my alignment, and now what you have to do is go to photos and search in grading. Favorite one out of these. Okay, and now right click on that and send it to back. So it'll automatically join into the edge, and you just have to move it around. And yes, and now do the same for the I or whatever letter you have. And now maybe you could have adjusted it like before, make the picture smaller, or you can make it bigger according to your preference. And that's how you create your gradient text effect button and the notification button, so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.